Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and live Doppler 2X, the most powerful radar in the Miami Valley.
And a couple of spotty showers still around the area tonight, mostly on the light side, as you can see on the bottom of our scale. A little bit of activity up north in the eastern part of Auglaize County up near Indian Lake. Some light sprinkles around the Sidney area, but even some sprinkles back towards Greenville and down across Montgomery County and down south into Warren County as well. All the rain has been moving eastward, as you can see, as I mentioned there on the light side, very light, as a matter of fact. And I think most of this will die out here later on tonight. Should be dry tomorrow morning. We can't rule out an isolated shower during the day. Looking back at the month of June, average temperature 71 degrees, and that was about a degree above the average, and 5.3 for the precipitation, 1 inch above the average for the month. And our high for the month was 92 degrees on the 25th, the coldest we saw way back on the 5th day of the month at 44. Now today it was a warm one out there. We saw temperatures, or cool one I should say, temperatures only up around 70 degrees for us, 71 in Lima. So starting off the month of July on the cool side with a warm air across the far south, temperatures well above normal here, but up our way you can see that pocket of unseasonably cool air below normal readings. Wisconsin, Michigan, right on down into the Ohio Valley. We were 13 degrees, what we would expect to see for our high. And as far as the month of July goes, the Climate Prediction Center calling for temperatures to average below normal across the Great Lakes and also the Ohio Valley, while we'll see a pocket of above normal readings southwest of us. So this should be a fairly active storm track here from Missouri over to Kentucky, Tennessee, where we could see numerous rounds of some thunderstorms. But tonight, we're seeing cloudy skies, the unseasonably cool air in place. 63 our current reading with a west wind at 9 miles an hour, 78% the relative humidity, and 62 degrees at our satellite newsroom up in Springfield. Earlier today, again, that high of 70, 61 this morning with a record high 98, 1970. And even though 1988 was a hot summer, we did set a record low on this date, 46 degree reading. And coolest readings tonight up around Wapakoneta, Bud there at 60 degrees. Michael Bell in Covington reporting a 67 degree reading tonight. And as we check out readings around Montgomery and Greene County, temperatures here are in the low to mid 60s. A little cooler up north, already down to 59 at Toledo. And we're going to be looking at that cool air in place for at least one more day. Just about the same pattern we've seen over the last couple of days with those readings in the 50s through the upper Great Lakes and even some 40s up this way, and then 60s, 70s, and 80s as you go to the southwest. But finally, we'll find this area of low pressure in the upper levels of the atmosphere moving away just in time for the weekend. Future track, we can watch it move away as we head through tomorrow. Still some cloud cover around for us, and as I mentioned, can't rule out an isolated shower, but then that area of high pressure starts to build into the region towards the end of the week and should take us back to some pretty nice weather just in time for the weekend. Here's your forecast tonight, down to 56. Again, a couple of sprinkles possible out there with mostly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, clouds mixed with a little sun at times. Still can't rule out an isolated shower, mainly in the afternoon as we climb up to 72. There's your hour-by-hour forecast. 63 at 10 o'clock, noon reading 66, and then getting up into the low 70s early afternoon. And you can check out our forecast anytime. WDTN.com is the place to go for that. Live Doppler 2X as well. There's your 7-day planner as we head through Friday. It looks like a nice day up around 80. A slight chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm Saturday, but most of the 3-day weekend looking pretty nice. Highs low 80s, nighttime lows upper 50s to about 60 degrees.
I don't think you can get a better looking holiday forecast than that.
That's pretty good. If we could get it down to about a 0% chance of rain, but you know, even then we're just talking slight chances.
Yeah, we are. Okay.